Can Safelite do a good job replacing a cracked windshield in a 2018 Tesla Model 3? It's already been done. I'll show you what the crack looked like and what it looked like after they finished with it. Well, it's just at Angles in Clemson. And I had washed the window before going over there with the windshield washer. Didn't see anything. I came out and left. I had that. Looks like a crack appeared. No idea what caused it. Well, this is definitely a crack. I can feel it. And it goes all the way up to the top of the windshield. I'm a little concerned about what caused this crack to form. In all my many years of having all kinds of different cars, I've never had a crack form like this. So usually something hit the windshield or something like that. This was kind of strange how it just spontaneously happened in the middle of the day on a sunny day, no hail, no rocks, and apparently while I was in the grocery store. Really strange. I don't see any other damage on the car that I can see anyway. Well, we got this crack in our 2018 Tesla Model 3. Windshield just appeared after going to the grocery store yesterday. So got an appointment at Safelite down in Anderson, South Carolina, let them repair it. We'll see how they do. But this is what the car looks like. Really no damage to it. So I don't know how they're gonna do this. What a job. This is a little hard to see. There's a crack right there and it goes down that way. But everything else about the car inside is in pretty good shape. Somehow they got to take that off and replace it and calibrate everything. We are riding back home to Georgia in a pretty significant amount of rain, and there's zero evidence of leaking on this windshield, so it looks like Safelite did a good job from what I can see. It looks like a new one, but the way they did that and everything, I mean, I can't see anything issues with it. It's been a couple of weeks since Safelite repaired this windshield. I absolutely was 100% satisfied with what they did. This was a Safelite shop down in Anderson, South Carolina. I've never used them before. Very impressed. I mean, it's just like it's brand new. And it's hard to see with the glare on here. There's some info on the windshield they used. But as you just saw, we drove back from seeing Twisters at the Mall of Georgia, an absolute downpour. No rain leakage at all. No damage to the car, inside or out. So anyway, we were very pleased. I'm not getting paid by Safelite. I'm just sharing this because so many people think that only Tesla can work on a Tesla. We found that's not the case, at least with Safelite. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and check out our other links. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you.